Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete emails from Outlook. This method also works for Hotmail and MSN accounts. By following these steps, you'll make sure your unwanted emails are completely removed from your inbox for good. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Click Sign In and enter your email and password. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple emails. Once logged in, go to your inbox. On the left panel, you'll see various folders like Sent Items and Junk Email. Click on the Deleted Items folder. This is where your deleted emails are temporarily stored, giving you a chance to recover them if needed. Inside the Deleted Items folder, review the emails. If there's anything you want to keep, move it back to your desired folder. Then, select the emails you want to permanently delete. You can choose them individually or select multiple by holding Shift while clicking. When you're ready, look at the top of the page for the Empty Folder option. Click it to permanently delete all selected emails. Remember, once you empty the folder, these emails cannot be recovered, so double check before proceeding. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to permanently delete emails in Outlook, Hotmail, or MSN. Keeping your inbox clean makes it easier to manage important messages. Repeat these steps whenever you want to perform a thorough email cleanup.